Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Kada. Today I'm here to show you the latest feature introduced in WhatsApp, that is a WhatsApp fingerprint lock. So in this video I'll be showing you how to enable this and how to use it in all your smartphones. So without further wasting more time, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started, WhatsApp has finally launched its WhatsApp fingerprint lock, so you don't have to rely on third-party apps to lock your WhatsApp. To enable this, you just need to go to your settings, go to your account settings, go to privacy. In privacy, just scroll down and you will see a new option called fingerprint lock. Just tap on it and enable that feature and you will get like three options to lock. So it's like immediately you can lock, or like after 1 minute of inactivity, or 30 minutes of inactivity. If you set to immediately, so whenever your WhatsApp goes into your background and if you want to open it again, it will ask for your fingerprint. So currently this feature is available only for the beta users. The current beta version is 2.19.224. If you want to enjoy this feature early, you can just go to APK Mirror and install this application. So this will be rolled out to all the users in maybe in another week, or like maybe in 2 weeks. So that's it guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time we meet, bye bye.